So, would you agree to the fact that the answer to this question is equal to 1? We are given a to the power of x to the power of a multiplying b minus c multiplying x to the power of b to the power of c minus a multiplying x to the power of c to the power or to the power of a minus b. Now, can you do this in achieving and then find out if the actual solution is equal to 1? Now let's look at all the rules we can use in solving this question. Before we get started, I want you to remember 3 essential rules of exponents. The exponent rule number 1 we are going to consider is if you have a to the power of x multiplying a to the power of y, remember this can be equal to common base a to the power of x plus y, right? Good. Now, the second rule, if I have a to the power of x divided by b or a to the power of y, the rule says this can be equal to common base a to the power of x minus y, right? Now, the third rule says if I have a to the power of x multiplying the power of y, that this can be equal to a to the power of x multiplied by y. Now these are rules in exponents that you might be quite familiar with. Now let's use this rule to expatiate that expression. Now if we use this rule to expatiate that expression, considering all these rules, you come to find out that that expression will now give me x. If the exponent multiplies, this will give me x to the power of a times ab times b minus c. That will give me ab to the power of ab minus ac, right? And this will be multiplying x to the power of bc minus ba, right? And this will be multiplying x to the power of ca minus cb. Great. Now if you expand this expression, you find out simply that since we have one common base, x and x multiplying, that means the exponents will have to add. So if we add the exponents, we'll have one common base, x, and that will be equal to ab minus ac, right, plus bc minus ba, right, and that will give me plus ca minus cb. Now in this expression, you have to be sure that this is put in bracket because of the negative sign, right? And all of these will be in bracket. Now we'll have to expand this because we'll have a negative sign there. And this expression will give me x to the power of ab minus ac plus times plus will give me plus bc plus times minus will give me minus ba plus times plus will give me plus ca and plus times minus will give me minus cb. Now if you have this expression, what do? We're going to simplify. Now from this expression, you can see that AB will have to cancel out AB, right? AC will have to cancel out AC, right? And then BC will have to cancel out BC. So what do we have remaining? We have the value of x to the power of 0. And in mathematics, x to the power of 0 is simply what? 1. So you see, that whole expression is simply equal to 1. And that is exactly what the solution to this expression will give us. This is simply equal to 1. So you see, solving a question like this is very easy. All you need to do is just learn to apply the rules of mathematics, and with the rules you can easily find the solution to all questions. I know you did enjoy watching this math question or math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified math content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.